Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send voice messages in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to send voice messages in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send the voice message. And after opening your chat box, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen on just beside the message bar, you can see there is a microphone icon. If we tap on it, guys, it will change to the video play icon, which will record your video message, guys, but we'll be just sending the voice message. So let's tap on it again and the microphone icon will appear. Now in order to record our voice message, we'll be required to tap on it, and you can see at the bottom left corner, guys, the timer has started, where it means that our phone or our Viber app on our phone has started to record our voice message. Now if you want to let go of your finger but still record the voice message, then you can see, guys, over here when we cover up or when you slide up the microphone icon, there's a lock icon, and when you slide it to the top, that will be locked, and even if we let go of our fingers, guys, the message will still record. Now after doing recording of your voice message, in order to send it, just tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right and your voice message will be sent like this, or you can just tap and hold on it, record your message whatever you want to say on Viber like this, guys, and after doing that, just let go and your voice message will be sent on Viber like this. And there, guys, this is how to send voice message in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.